Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your content to Ghost for better SEO performance. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your content to Ghost for better SEO performance, start by accessing your current content platform. Export your existing content in a compatible format, such as Markdown or HTML. Make sure all your posts and images are included in the export file. Next, create a Ghost account if you haven't already done so. Choose a suitable plan that meets your needs, whether it's personal, professional, or business. Once your account is set up, log in to the Ghost admin panel. Navigate to the Labs section in your Ghost admin settings. Here, you will find the option for importing content. Select the file you previously exported from your old platform. Upload the file by clicking on the Upload button. Ghost will process the file and convert your content into the appropriate format. After the import is complete, review the imported content for any formatting issues. Ensure that all images are displayed correctly and that there are no missing posts. Take this opportunity to optimize your content for SEO. Edit your titles and meta descriptions to include relevant keywords. Use Ghost's built-in SEO tools to set up custom URLs, headings, and alt text for images. Make sure each post has a clear focus, using H1, H2, and H3 tags effectively. Link related posts internally to improve navigation and SEO. Once you are satisfied with the optimizations, publish your updated content. Test your website's performance using SEO analysis tools to monitor improvements. With everything set, you're now ready to enjoy better SEO performance with Ghost. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and maintain your SEO ranking. Stay engaged with the Ghost community for tips on ongoing optimization strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.